好，大家好。Indirect speeches，咁去到 exercise 245啦。exercise 245就會難啲咯喎，因為裏邊咧佢有啲問題 yes no question，有啲問題唔係 yes no question。我點樣判斷佢係咪一個 yes no question？我都係圈動詞先。句頭圈到嘅係 yes no question。如果係 yes no question 嘅時候，我會用 if 或者 whether。但係你唔好轉錯天氣嗰個 weather，係 yes no 我先要咁用，唔係 yes no 我唔需要咁。唔係 yes no question。記住要判斷佢嘅動詞係一、二、三種，然之後揾翻個 subject 出嚟，攝翻落去。呢個 exercise 麻煩喺邊個位咧？呢個 exercise 麻煩深啲 indirect speeches 咧，係要你將原句佢嘅問句裏邊呢個 tenses 咧係向前行，咁所以又要掂翻動詞嘅 tenses 啦。如果你係遇到 simple past，simple past 要轉做 past perfect 係加 be。完啦，simple past，simple past，咁你 have been present perfect 照轉做 past perfect 係加 pp，simple past 轉 must 轉 had to，所以 will 又要轉翻 would，記住一定要將個人物身份轉翻，另外要將個 tenses 係要向前行。咁由於講到 tenses，重溫 tenses，simple past 嘅口號係事情發生咗時間好清楚。只要做過清楚時間，就算係 a minute ago、ten minutes ago、a second ago，我哋都用 simple past。to 唔係動詞 ing。present perfect has have 加 pp 係事情發生咗時間清楚專用。already 先至係 just 專用。幾時用 past perfect 咧？past perfect 係早過 simple past 先用。例如我先刷牙口出門口今朝，so after I had brushed teeth, I went out this morning。早過 simple past 嘅 action，我哋用 past perfect。而 past continuous 係 was were 跟 ing，當時做緊 was were 先係動詞。而家 I am talking to you，I'm teaching you，is 係埋緊 ing，ing 其實都唔係一個動詞，叫 present participle。如果你老師同你講呢個 ing 係動詞咧，你叫佢再進修嘅。不過好多學校老師都唔識。anyway，總之有澄清 ing 唔係動詞，ing 極其量嘅 present participle 或者係個 gerund 當動詞用。遲啲再解釋 ing 呢個方面，但 ing 一定唔係動詞咯。is 係咪個動詞？be 係個動詞，modal verb 係個動詞，like 㗎第二類動詞。好啦，第一題點做咧？佢話佢問個男仔，咁你鎖定到佢係 simple past 啊嘛？佢問過個男仔，你有冇整爛個窗？咁咪對住佢講，咁你就要身份調整啦。He asked the boy yes no question 啊嘛，唔試過 if 咯，咁用翻 he 咯，係咪你啊嘛？If he did 啊嘛，但係唔係 simple past，要 past perfect 啊嘛，佢 PP 係 broken。If he had broken that window，記住而家唔係要你做入邊呢個 tenses，係要判斷到入邊嘅 tenses，再要將個 tenses 向前行下。第二題一樣原理，咁佢就問啦，佢諗啊，佢諗，咁咪繼續佢諗咯。接翻 question word，跌漏唔漏啊？講咗我唔漏啦，但係呢個係咪 yes no question？呢個唔係 yes no question，呢個 question word，所以 if 同 whether 唔應該存在。接翻個 subject 先，佢諗 if 呢一個人 had known about it，所以你會見到咧 yes no question 同唔係 yes no question 好大分別。yes no question 係咁話，係 yes no question 係咁話。唔係 yes no question 留翻 question word 得啦，只有 yes no question 我先用 if，咁其他做啦。第四題係咪 yes no question 擺到明係啦？喂，聽唔聽到 any noise last night？Last night 要轉翻 the night before，所以 the policeman question him yes no question 啊嘛 if 啊嘛，呢個 U 咪變咗 he 咯，跟住轉 past perfect had heard any noise，時空要轉 the night before。我啲字料我考試我就算 DSE 出面考 TOEFL whatever，我啲字我都係咁。 呢啲唔係叫料噶啦，好清楚啊。因為你如果去考到 A level 嘅 DSE 寫字，你寫字要快啊，清楚 OK，但係唔需要好靚。OK，第八題啦，去到喂，可唔可以俾隻碟我啊？Please，佢對住阿 Tom 講噶嘛？It said, it Tom 係咪 yes no question 係啊嘛？咁咪寫個 if 咯，跟住 will 要轉 would 啊嘛。你對住阿 Tom 講，咁即係 he 啦，咁即係 would 啦。would 呢個 me 係咩？Her and her the plate 就咁簡單啫嘛。判斷 yes no question，鎖定嗰個問句裏邊嘅 tenses 向前吞，其他自己做。有咩問明自己 WhatsApp 我，拜拜，做完俾翻我。